Hi there, students. Pert. Okay, pert is an adjective. You have the adverb pertly as well, and the noun of the quality pertness. I always find this word pert a little bit difficult to name down, but think of it in various different ways. Firstly, something that's pert, this is talking about describing part of somebody's body. It's attractive, it's small, and it's firm. It's not squashy. It's well formed and rounded. So the girl had a very pert bottom. Yeah, it was well rounded. Yeah, it wasn't fat, but it was firm and it wasn't saggy. We also very often use this word pert for a woman's breasts, a woman's bosom. Yeah, she has a very pert bosom. Okay, so we've got the physical feature on one side, but you can also use this word pert to describe a person's qualities or their behaviour, but particularly for someone young. Yeah, you're saying that they are quite saucy, they're not respectful. Yeah, they're humorous, but they are quite sassy as well. So she gave a very pert answer to my question. Yeah, slightly disrespectful, but funny and interesting at the same time. Yeah, so a pert answer, a pert look, a saucy look, yeah, a sassy look, a pert smile. Okay, so she smiled at me pertly, for example. Okay, so pert, slightly plump, yeah, rounded, well rounded and firm, yeah, attractive and well shaped. I guess she had a pert nose. Yeah, it was well formed, well featured. Neat, jaunty, stylish, smart. Yeah, perky if you like. And then, okay, if you call particularly you use this word for a girl or a woman, attractive but cheeky and very lively. Okay. I think you can also use this word to mean rude or impudent. There's no need for you to be pert with me, young lady. Yeah, you could, but I think normally pert is a positive thing. Yeah, if you call somebody pert, you're being nice about them. If you're describing part of their body as pert, then this is very positive. So he was wearing a pert little hat on his head. Jaunty, chic, fashionable. Yeah. He produced some very pert ideas, stimulating and interesting. Yeah, but a little bit piquant as well, a little bit naughty. A pert person, lively and vivacious, full of life. Okay, so they're lively. They're not somebody who's pert is lively. They're not afraid to say what they think or what they feel about a situation. Yeah. She gave me a very pert reply. Yeah. And then if you describe the part of somebody's body as pert, you're saying that you're being very approving of it. You're saying it looks very good. It's got the right form. So pert, attractive, well formed, shapely, pert breasts. It's a good collocation. Somebody who's lively and cheerful and bright. Yeah, a very pert character. Brisk, sprightly, smart. This is maybe close to the nimble video I made as well. Okay, so as to formality, I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, although I think you could use it informally. It's slightly on the formal side. It sounds ever so slightly literary, but I think you could use it anywhere. And then as to origin, it comes from apert in English, in Middle English, which comes from Old Latin apertus, meaning open, aprire, yeah, to open something. Okay, so pert, well-formed, well-rounded, shapely, yeah, and then pert, lively, a lively character. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Pert, Pertly, Pertness.